Hello and welcome back, and this is a new video. The last person who had this before me was a lady called Christina, or as you possibly know her better as Pocket Poet. He comes from Matt, or Coins and More, and he's had two games that he's had the Cointubers involved with. One was to find a Kew garden, and the other one was this one, which is Coin or Cointuber. Now, we have a plastic wallet, which I'll just put to one side. We have a whole bunch of sealed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 items, or 8 sealed envelopes. Now, we have a list of instructions. We had Find the Queue, and now we have Coin or Cointuber. The rules of the game are simple. There are 18 envelopes, 12 contain a coin and 6 contain Cointuber. You get to choose once. If you find a coin, you get to keep it. If you find a Cointuber, that's just bad luck. In each instance, please choose another person of your choice to send the game on to. The game ends when the last Cointuber is found. So that means to say the 6 Cointubers, when the 6th one's found, the game finishes. The recipient at that time winning the remaining envelopes and lots of coin goodies, if there are any left. I've included a chart to record the results as the game progresses. I hope you all enjoy the game. Good luck, and thank you to everyone who plays and supports my channel, Matt. So, on the back, or attached to this, is the cheat sheet, if you like, the results sheet. Of course, Bo, who was one of the first to put it in the wrong one, he chose envelope 2, not envelope 1, because we still have envelope 1. So these are the ones that are left. We have number 1, number 3, number 6. So let's just count them off. Number 1, number 3, just saw number 6, where's it gone? Number 6, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 16, and number 18. Now you'll find in all of these, from looking at what the past people have done, that you'll find that there is, and you can see it there, a capsule. Now that capsule will contain either a coin, or what Matt has done is put in 2 washers that look like a figure 8 with some blue tack so they don't rattle around. Now if we take a look at the sheet, Bo got a Guernsey cow, 10 Bob, Jackie got a Shakespeare's comedy, South Yorkshire's coin got a Milner's Tower, Grossi got a 1964 2 shillings, to coin a phrase, he got a Picture of Laughter. Sunderland coin hunt got a 1 cent. Lady M from Buggles Clept got Master Temple photo. Pocket Poet, who's the last one, got Calibear, or Penguin Daddy as she likes to call him. So Caledonian coins, picture of Caledonian coins. Dave from North East Coins got Christopher Collects, and Master Temple got Bungle Bear. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of the 6 Cointubers have already come out. So if I get the 6th one, I get to keep all of them. So I have got to choose carefully. Now, there are 3 ones that automatically stand out for me. One is number 3. The reason number 3 stands out for me was when I was a kid, the house number that we had was number 3. And the other 2 were from my time in the Air Force. Now, when I was in the Air Force, I served on several squadrons, including 12, 15 and 16. Now, 15's already gone. That went to Dave and it was Christopher Clex. 12 hasn't gone and 16 haven't gone, so they are strong candidates. And if you have a look, 1, 2, 3, 4 of the coin tubers that have been chosen have been between number 13 and number 17. So does that mean that number 16 is unlikely to have the final person in it? Same with number 12. Is he likely to have 4 in a row of coin tubers? I'm not too sure. It'll also be 4 in a row if 16. So, is number 3 like to be the coin tuber? I don't know. I'm just going to take a couple of seconds just to have a think. I'm thinking of number 3 for the reason that is he like to spread out the coin tubers rather than have them all together. I think he probably will, so that's the one I'm going to choose. I'm going to ignore my RAF squadron numbers, probably to my detriment, and I'm going to choose number 3. So, how do we get into this thing? I've got a coin. There's nothing there, but I've got a coin, and what a coin to get. Let me just zoom in for you. I chose well. Look at that. I have a Newton. That's Sir Isaac Newton. Thank you very much, Matt. That is wonderful. It has a piece of blue tack on the back. It is a 2017, as you can see. I didn't do too badly there, did I? Oops, let's just get you in there. As you can see on there, it's a 2017. And I have a Isaac Newton. That is absolutely unbelievable. Matt, thank you for running this game. It's been fantastic, and I've got a wonderful coin from it, so I'm absolutely delighted. Now, because I didn't get the final coin tuber, who am I going to send it on to? A lot of the coin tubers I know personally have already chosen. So people like Dave, NEC, Sunderland Coin Hunts, Radium, Master Temple, didn't see Maka Moolah has done this, so I might well be, if you're watching this, Glenn, I'll be coming on to you for your I think Maka Moolah looks like the obvious one to me, who hasn't yet done this, and I'll just fill this in so people can see what I chose and what I won. So the date today is the 8th of the 5th, 22, and what I got was 50p 2017 Isaac Newton. I think I've got the best coin so far, but that's just me being aware of the thing. So there you go, there's me in the, there's my entry just there. Steve Bucks Coins, 8th to the 5th, which is the date that I've recorded this on, and it's a 50p Isaac Newton. So I now have to choose somebody. As I said, looking on that list, one of the obvious ones who've not yet done this one this time round is Glenn at Makamula Coins. So the chances are I'll be contacting him and asking him whether he wishes to play the game. So thank you for watching this edition of Coin and Cointuber. I hope you've enjoyed it, and let's face it, I'm absolutely delighted. Until we meet up again next time, I wish you well in your hunts, if you're having one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're having, if you're buying coins, I hope you can buy them from the price you want to pay. I am looking to grow the channel, as I've explained several times this year, so if you've enjoyed this, please give me the thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed and you're a returner, I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and coin tubing, and coins and notes and collectibles, militaria, that sort of thing. If this is the first time you've seen my channel or one of my videos, I would love to say please go and have a look at some of the others, and if you believe I deserve your subscription, I would love to again welcome you on board wholeheartedly. So I have four coin videos a week on average, and I hope that you can find something that you like during each week. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, Steve, bye bye, and thank you for viewing.